Hi guys, Jim Bounds at Motorhome Rehab Ranch, and yes, this is the last video about what to do to drive one home. We've already talked about, we just talked about fuel, the air ride system, the motor, cooling system. When you drive it, you drive 250 miles at a time. Why is that? Well, when you go to put fuel in this thing, it pumps very, very slowly. So you pump it as slow as you can until it pops back. Very, very slow. Look at how many gallons you put in, because our goal is to get as close to 40 gallons, 50 gallons as possible. So you go as slow as you possibly can. It pops back. Give it 30 seconds. It'll gurgle and spit, throw up some stuff. Then put it in again as slow as you can. And the second time it pops, you want to stop. Look at how much fuel it is. Say if you got 8 miles a gallon, how far would that fuel take you that you showed on the fuel pump? All right, then drive that. Stop. If it's 250 miles, if you got 40 gallons in, you can easily go for 250 miles. So when you stop, immediately get out and walk around the coach and touch your hubs. You want to know the temperature of the hub. If you have a bearing or brake issue, it will spike a temperature long before it fails. So you walk around, you touch each wheel. The front two should be the warmest, the middle two should be the next warm, and the rear ones should be the coolest, but they'll be the same. Both sides should be the same. Okay. While you're walking around the coach, be sure nothing fell off. Make sure that you think that you're at right height, it looks right, tires look right, and all that kind of stuff. Then put gas back in it. It won't be that much because it's only 250 miles worth. Then go pee and go do it again. Don't go any faster. Go 60, 65. The coach wants to drive fast. Okay? And I dig that. But remember, we just want to get home. 60, 65 will get you there. You know, I can't drive 55. You don't think you're ever going to get there. But 60, 65, that's an hour, 60 miles for an hour. It's not bad. Stop often. Listen to the thing. If it makes funny noises, if you hear something strange or a weird whistle or something, trace it down. Don't turn on the radio. Listen to the motorhome. They do talk. Okay? Put my phone number in your cell phone. If you have a problem, you have a question, anything, right then, when something piques you to think about it, if you can address it right then, you'll remember it. If you write it down and try to do it later, you'll have a hard time remembering it. You want to remember all of this stuff. You want to write when you have a problem, a question. Give me a call. We can make it better. All right. The rest of you guys that want to get back to the interior, this picture will be below. I've been working on this interior since we've been doing all these other videos. I've got some Twinkie lights in the kitchen. I've done a treatment to the window here. Galley window doesn't open anyway. And I've got the blinds fixed up here. I want to show you what we did there. All right, guys. During this series of videos, had another call. Looks like we have another coach that's going to be delivered from Orlando here up to Virginia. Remember the coach that we found out there near some friend's house about 4 or 5 months ago? In Castleberry. Gentleman bought it, contacted me, and we're going to drive it home to his new home, the coach's new home in Virginia. So that'll be something coming up soon. Don't know the dates on that one, but I'll let you know. Thanks, guys. These coaches are showing up all over the place. Thank you for being interested in them. Thank you for getting involved. You'll find if you take your time with them, these are really, really good. I use the word investment because you've got to have some wheels. If you've got to drive, if you've got to have a motorhome like this is a very, very good way to go. All right, guys. Thanks a lot. Hit like and all those things, and we'll see you working on the interior on the next video. Bye.